Hello, everyone. प्रैक्टिस सेशन कर रहे हैं आज थोड़ा सा. आई रिसेंटली केम अक्रॉस अ कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ एडिंग टू अ विनिंग ट्रेड, तो उसे ही देखने वाला है. तो उसे ही देखने वाला है. हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस सेशन करने वाला है हमारे सिमुलेशन सॉफ्टवेयर में, एंड ये देखने वाले हैं कि किस तरह से वी कैन ऐड टू अ विनिंग पोजीशन. ओके. Okay, so hello Akash, good morning. Let's just get started. I'm going to load the simulation software here. If you can see, इस पे हम प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. तो रिसेंटली आई वाज रीडिंग अ बुक विच वाज कॉल्ड बेस्ट लूजर विंस. आज सुबह की बात है एंड आई केम अक्रॉस द आइडिया कि जो एक मेन प्रिंसिपल जो 90% ऑफ द ट्रेडर्स को, जो 1% ट्रेडर्स है उससे अलग करता है, वो है एडिंग टू अ विनिंग पोजीशन. ओके, बेसिकली अ कंसेप्ट जहाँ पे हम ये देखेंगे कि एक विनिंग पोजीशन में अपने जो मैक्सिमाइज़ कैसे करने हैं. तो उसके पीछे बेसिकली दो मेन रीज़न है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू कैन डू कि उस विनिंग पोजीशन में तुम सेम लॉट ऐड करते रहो ईच टाइम यू सी अ पुल बैक, एंड द सेकेंड थिंग इज़ ऐड लाइक हाफ ऑफ द लॉट ऑन द पोजीशन. ओके, सो वही देखने वाले हैं आज बेसिकली. तो प्रीवियस वीक के चार्ट से शुरू करते हैं. आई एम गोइंग टू लोड द चार्ट्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड डेली, 4 आवर, 1 आवर, 30 minute and 15 minute, and I'm going to be adding based upon 5 minutes, so that will be interesting. या वो भी मैं, अगर तुमने मेरा टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज्वाइन किया है आकाश, मैं वहाँ पे आज शेयर कर दूँगा ऑडियो जर्नल. तो मेक श्योर टू ज्वाइन द टेलीग्राम ग्रुप. ओके. तो या दीज आर द चार्ट्स वी आर लुकिंग एट. मैं इन सबको लोड कर लेता हूँ. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, बट ये ठीक ठीक तरह से ना लोड नहीं हो रहा. लेट मी जस्ट डू दैट अगेन. ओके. वैसे ये सेशन काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट है, तो मेक श्योर टू वॉच इट ऑल. ओके. फॉर सम रीज़न मुझे डेटा नहीं मिल रहा है फेबररी का. लेट मी जस्ट रिफ्रेश इट. ओके. चलो कोई बात नहीं. मुझे ये डाटा तो नहीं मिल रहा है बट हमारे पास प्रीवियस डाटा है तो उसी पे सिमुलेशन शुरू करते हैं. ठीक है. तो हमारे पास अभी करेंटली डाटा है 2023 तक का. तो लेट्स जस्ट से सितंबर का डाटा सेलेक्ट करता है. विल बी गोइंग फ्रॉम मंडे तो फ्राइडे सेलेक्ट कर लेता है. 23 सितंबर राइट हियर. तो फ्राइडे सेलेक्ट कर लेता है एंड अकाउंट साइज रखते हैं 3300. ओके. एंड दिस विल बी आर न्यूयॉर्क क्लोज. सिमुलेशन एंड तो नहीं करने वाले. यूरोएसडी विल बी आर पेयर. एंड उसके बाद आई वांट 150 डेज ऑफ हिस्ट्री. रिवाइडिंग विल बी अलाउड एंड देयर यू गो. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. ओके. विजुअल मोड ऑन कर लूँगा मैं. वी आर गोइंग टू बी रिस्किंग अराउंड 1% ऑन ईच ट्रेड एंड वी आर गोइंग टू बी इंक्रीजिंग दैट रिस्क ऑन ईच ट्रेड बाय अराउंड 50% और लाइक सेम साइज. हम दो मेथड ट्राई करने वाले हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज़ लाइक with 50% and the second one will be with 100%. I'm not sure if I'm making even sense but let's just see. तो मैं चार्ट्स ऐड कर लेता हूँ. पहले डेली से शुरू करते हैं. उसके बाद I'm going to be adding 4 hour. उसके बाद I'm going to be adding 1 hour, then 13 minute, then 15 minute and in the last I'll add 5 minutes. Let's open everything. There you go. Got everything. इससे मैं जो अपनी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है वो ऐड कर लेता हूँ. ओके. There you go. इसे स्केल फिक्स करना पड़ेगा. There you go. In 15 minute I'll add ATR again. Properties, scale fix. Okay. On 30 minute will be clean. This will be clean as well. This will be clean as well. And this will be clean as well. ठीक है. इन सबको मैं स्केल फिक्स कर लेता हूँ. There you go. I need one more chart of 30 minute. There you go. Hello Amit, how are you? Good morning and welcome to the stream. We are basically practicing our how do we add to a position thing. Okay. तो थोड़ा स्पीड रख लेते हैं. लेट्स जस्ट से 79. ओके. तो लेट्स जस्ट गेट स्टार्टेड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम सेशन में ट्रेड करते हैं तो थोड़ा मुझे फास्ट फॉरवर्ड करना होगा. लेट्स डू डेली. मंडे. there you go. 1 घंटा पीछे. there you go. ठीक है. So let's just get started. This is our Asia session at the moment, and we are going to be breaking down everything from this point right here. Okay, so let's get started. Hello everyone, I'm Sam and I run a channel by Sam FX. And right now what we are doing कि हम practice कर रहे हैं कि how to add to a winning position in forex market. बिकॉज जो एक सिंगल हैंडेडली जो चीज़ है जो 90% ऑफ द ट्रेडर को 1% ट्रेडर से अलग करती है वो है एडिंग टू अ विनिंग पोजीशन. जो ट्रेडर्स होते हैं, जो प्रोफेशनल ट्रेडर्स होते हैं, वो अपनी विनिंग ट्रेड में अपने साइज़ को इंक्रीज़ करता है बिकॉज दे नो दैट्स द ओनली वे टू विन इन द मार्केट. ऑलराइट, तो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम लेट्स जस्ट गेट स्टार्टेड. आई होप मेरी वॉइस वगैरह ठीक है, एंड इफ़ यू आर वॉचिंग द स्ट्रीम राइट नाउ प्लीज़ कंसिडर लाइकिंग द स्ट्रीम. So let's get started with daily. On daily, you will see market has created the support right here and a resistance is yet to be made. इसे further breakdown करेंगे 4 घंटे के चार्ट में. तो you will see कि market has created another support right here at this point, and उसके बाद we have created a resistance at this point right here. इसे further breakdown करेंगे 1 hour के चार्ट में, and you will see much more clear picture. मार्केट हैज़ क्रिएटेड दिस हाई राइट हेयर एंड उसके बाद हमारे को एक सपोर्ट मिला है ठीक यहाँ पे. ठीक है, इससे मैं कर लूँगा कॉपी. जिसके में मिनट देयर यू गो. इसे मैं कर लूँगा कॉपी 30 मिनट के चार्ट में, एंड यू विल सी कि वी हैव दिस नो ट्रेड रेंज राइट हेयर. So in this point, my simple strategy at the moment will be to either wait for break of each of this level for to go buy or sell. Overall, market seems to be bullish on daily, and 4 hour market seems to be bullish as well. So it's only natural that I look for bullish perspective in the market. So there you go. So let's get started. I'm going to play the sessions right now, and we'll try to figure out how well do we trade. Okay, so let's get started. Actually, I wanted to test these theories on like 1 minute chart. 1 minute. I mean, I wanted to test this theory on the previous day, but for some reason it's just not working previous day. That's why we are testing this on September, May data. Okay, for sell, we need break of this level, to be honest. Let's just wait for a closure. Okay, so there you go. ओके, तो वी हैव दिस क्लोजर राइट है ऑन दिस लेवल. इसे अगर हम देखेंगे 30 मिनट के चार्ट में तो वी हैव अ क्लोजर, एंड ऑन 15 मिनट चार्ट ऑल वी वांट कि एक सपोर्ट ब्रेक हो, एंड वी हैव अ सपोर्ट राइट देयर. ठीक है, so there you go. If candle start to break this candle right here, I'll open a sell position with around 1% of my risk. Okay, there you go. At this point I'll sell right here, and my SL, just give me a minute. Our SL on the position will be right here, this, and my TP will be this right here. I'll accept it, and now let's just see how this is going to work. And I'll be adding position on each 5-minute positive closure, so it will be interesting as well. Now I'm switching to 5-minute chart and waiting for a candle to close below prior price candle for me to add position. Okay, and I need जो previous body है वो इस current body से ऊपर रहे, then that's the thing where we will add to the winning position. Right now this position is a losing position. Okay, so I need a closure below previous prior buys low or high. Okay, so this one went for SL, तो वापस हम नेक्स्ट डे में जाएंगे सेशंस में एंड विल डू द सेम थिंग अगेन. ठीक है, तो विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट डे. देयर यू गो, एंड आई डिलीट दिस लाइन्स and we'll start our analysis again. First of all, we have a daily resistance made right here and we have a daily support made right here. इन्हें मैं copy कर लूँगा to ये सिमुलेशन सॉफ्टवेयर है सॉफ्ट फॉर एफएक्स. इसे फर्दर ब्रेक डाउन करेंगे 4 घंटे के चार्ट में, तो यू विल सी मार्केट इज बेयरिश एंड वी हैव क्रिएटेड दिस हाई राइट हेयर एंड वी हैव सपोर्ट मेड राइट हेयर. ओके, इसे कॉपी कर लूँगा मैं. इसे फर्दर ब्रेक डाउन करेंगे 1 घंटे के चार्ट में, तो you will see कि market has fallen and we have created a resistance right there and we have created some kind of support right there. ठीक है, क्लोन अपडेट. अगर तुम देखोगे डेली में मार्केट seems to be bearish, on 4 hour market is bearish as well. तो इट्स ऑब्वियस कि मैं 30 मिनट के चार्ट में भी bearish perspective देखूँ. So right now what I want for this level to break and test for me to yeah it is paid बट आई एम यूजिंग द डेमो वर्जन. तो डेमो वर्जन जो है वो ऑलमोस्ट फ्री ही होता है, बट उसमें लिमिटेशंस होती है. जैसे तुम जो डाटा तुम प्रैक्टिस करना चाहते हो वो प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर सकते, कोई रैंडम डाटा मिलता है. वैसे तुम अंश से पूछ सकते हो, उसके पास एक क्रैक्ड वर्जन है, इफ़ यू वांट टू ट्राई दैट. ओके, सो दिस इज़ आवर करंट रेंज. बेसिकली हम लंदन हम इस समय हैं पोस्ट लंदन सेशन, प्री लंदन सेशन में, एंड आफ्टर दिस कैंडल विल बी इन लंदन सेशन. देयर यू गो. ठीक है, तो देयर यू गो, वी आर इन प्री लंदन सेशन and we have created this resistance right here. So let's just play and see what happens. On 4 hour market seems to be bearish, on 1 hour market seems to be bearish as well. So I need some kind of structure break, so I'm waiting for this candle to close. There you go. Okay, the candle has been closed, and on 30-minute chart, on 15-minute chart, you will see कि market came down, we created a support, and right now we are breaking a support. So I think this can be a good entry to take a sell, because on the higher time frame market is bearish, number one, and number two, we are just in the pre-London session, so it will be good idea to take a sell. I'm going to be taking a sell right here. There you go, and my TP will be this right here, accept, and I'll be risking around 1%. And on 5-minute chart, I'll be adding to a position if we see two consecutive candle going towards in our side. And again, this is a practice session. I'm really like just casually playing it. So let's just see क्या होता है. Okay, nice. This is on 5-minute chart. I don't really trade on 5-minute chart usually, and this is just a practice session. Okay, we have a good closure. Okay, nice. We need two consecutive candles in our side. Okay, you see how this candle just closed. So I'm just going to take a back right here. See, this is what I'm talking about. First of all, we are having a sell candle, and this sell candle seems like a strong bearish candle. Jiski body is equal to this body. This is what I'm focusing on today. This is our adding to a position thing, and I'll be risking 1% right here. This will be my stop loss right here, and my TP will be 1:1. ओके, एंड जो मेरी प्रायर पोजीशन का स्टॉप लॉस है जो कि ठीक है पोजीशन में, इसको मैं ला लूँगा बी में. तो जो मेरी प्रायर पोजीशन है दैट हैज़ बीन सेव्ड एंड आई हैव एडेड टू अ न्यू पोजीशन. दैट मीन्स इफ आई लूज अ ट्रेड, I'll be going break even in my previous position, and I'll be just being positive on my current position if this trade works out. Let's just see. Okay, so seems like so far this strategy is not working. Okay, again we are testing the strategy which is a highly risky strategy. So let's just see how we can like improve our session. Okay, I think I should test on past data. I'm going to quit the simulation and I'll restart it because ये डॉट डॉट ठीक नहीं लग रहा है मुझे. I'm like trying to get the most recent data, but for some reason it's just not loading up. Let me just close it and try again. What I want कि मैं जो previous week का डाटा है ना उस पे I wanna practice कि how can I add to winning position. Here we go. This is 23 fab data. I'm going to the tools history center. If anyone know how to add like previous week's data in this particular simulation, just let me know how to do it. Okay, let's try doing this. Okay, let's start the simulation. And okay, now we got it. We are at 19. So 19 will be 19 Monday. There you go, perfect. So let's just get started. This time we have the right data and hopefully we won't face any problem with this one. We are going to be risking by percent. I'm going to be risking 1% on each trade. Real time, let's go 20 and let's add the charts. First of all, I'm going to be adding daily and then 4 hour, then 1 hour, then 30 minute, then 15 minute, and in the last we'll add 5 minute as well. Uh, 30, I'll add 15 minute, and in the last I'll add 5 minutes. There you go. I'm going to be opening each and every data right here. I'll open 30 minute again, and there you go. So let's get started, and I'm gonna do this right here, and इसे मैं जल्दी जल्दी स्केल फिक्स कर लेता हूँ. There you go. Yeah, on 5 minute chart, let's add this as well. On 5 minute chart, I should add ATR, and here I should ATR as well. On 15 minute chart, All right, so let's just get started. First of all, let's start with daily. There you go. I should scale fix everything. Okay, and last thing I should check for session lines. तो हमारी session है जो शुरू होता है on 19 and start at this particular candle right here, which is a bullish bar. तो मुझे थोड़ा सा fast forward करना होगा session को on 30 minute. Let's just get started. We have one bearish bar. There you go, and उसके बाद we have this right here. So it starts at this particular 1, 2, 3, 4th candle. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4th candle right here. ठीक है, तो this is the starting of our session. तो इसके बाद 1 घंटा तो हम शुरू करते हैं हमारा सेशन फ्रॉम 12:30 राइट. तो दिस विल बी 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2 3rd कैंडल पे देखो. ठीक है, तो 1, 2, 3. So 9:30 is our 12:30 in the simulation session. I'm just matching the timings right now. So right now let's just do a top-down analysis. So we have a scarcity of daily right here. So I'm going to be using this as my reference. So 19. Okay, so this is our levels today. So that will make me. Okay, so on daily you will see market has created a support right here, and we have a resistance made right here at this point. Okay, there you go, and I'm going to clone this on 4-hour chart. On 4-hour chart you will see market seems to be bullish, and we have created a resistance right here, and we have a most recent support made right here and then here. Okay, इसे मैं क्लोन करूँगा 1 घंटे के चार्ट में, and you will see कि market has created some kind of support right there. ठीक है, we are running through this trade, guys. If you want me to tell you, we are practicing this trade right here, which we took on Monday. We did not took any trades on Monday, but there was a trade which right here, this one, we are practicing this trade right here. ठीक है, तो that is what we are seeing right now. तो इसे further break down करेंगे, and what we'll get is this levels right here, and we have created a resistance right here at this level. So this will be my no trade range, and which is about 140 pips. So I'm just going to play it right now, and let's just see how everything plays out. This right here is my this candle, 12:30 candle. This is it. So there you go, let's just get started. So based on this, what I'm looking for right now is a bearish candle for us to be a bullish bar. Overall, our main focus right now is to be bullish. If we see a fresh resistance getting break, or if this particular resistance breaks right here, so I'm going to be playing it right now. I'm just practicing previous days session, to be honest, right now. ठीक है, तो वी आर वेटिंग फॉर रेजिस्टेंस टू बी फॉर्म्ड, एंड वी हैव दिस रेजिस्टेंस राइट हियर. ठीक है, नाउ फॉर दिस टू बी अ बेरिश सिग्नल, for this to be bullish, we are just basically looking for break of this support, break of this resistance right here to take a bullish entry. But for bearish, we need a fresh support to be formed, and if this support breaks and test we will take a sell. Simply this is the idea behind, this was the idea behind that trade. Okay, so let's just wait right now, because overall on 4 hour chart we are bullish if you see. So for bearish perspective we need a structured break on smaller time frames. Okay, so far we have created this resistance right here, and we say we are going to be playing it. There you go. We are currently waiting for this particular candle to close, and we are looking for a structural test for this to be a sell. And again we are practicing previous week's trade on our simulation session to find out where we could have increased the trading amount. Okay, so this can, let me just skip it. Okay, so you see how we created the support right here, and right now this is our new no trade range, and I want break and test of these levels for me to take a trade. So let's just play it. This is on 30-minute chart, guys, by the way. Okay, now I need break of this level. This is our uh, uh, structure break trade. Okay, so there you go, we are breaking below this level. I'm switching to 15-minute chart right here for a clear structure break. There you go, right now, right here. So we have broken below this level. So what I want, key market should create some kind of support, test this level, and if that level breaks I'll take a sell. Okay, this is a simple break of structure trade on smaller time frame. So let's just see how this one is going to get played out, and we are going to be increasing the size based on 5-minute chart, so it is going to be really interesting. So far we are on 15-minute. We want a support to be formed, and once that support start to break we will increase the size in our position. I'm going to fast forward it a bit, and there you go, we have a support has been formed right there. Okay, seems like this is a good support. There you go, and I'm going to play it, and it will be interesting to see how this one plays out. Okay, so basically I'm going to be increasing the size in like two particular ways. First of all, I need a break of structure. So break of structure के लिए we have this support right here. If this support starts to break, I'll add onto this particular position. So I need break of this level right here. So let's just see how it is going to play out, or even if this will be even a winning trade or not. And I have a like one more thing कि जो हमारा stop loss है वो क्या होना चाहिए, that is the big thing as well. So right now we are just practicing कि what will be the correct way to trade this market. And again this was 1 2 3 1 2 3, this was our candle where we started an analysis, यानी ये 12:30 की candle है. So there you go, I need break of this level and then we'll take a trade. First of all, a stop loss will be based on 30-minute ATR value, and उसके बाद will increase or decrease depending upon our trading. ठीक है, we are just consolidating right now. If you see session wise, we are close to London session, London session close. So there you go. I think we do not have any closure at the moment. We are just waiting. This is a 15-minute chart, by the way. We want break of this level right here. If this breaks, we are looking for sell. I'm going to increase the speed a bit, and then we'll see how it's going to play out. Okay, so far we are not breaking this area. I'm going to fast forward it. There you go, there you go. Okay. See, this can be a good entry, but I don't think we have enough evidence. First of all, we have a structural break right here. We are creating a resistance at this point right here. On 15 minute, we have a trigger because this candle is closing below the prior bar candle. So this can be a good trigger, but okay, let's just take a trade and see how this one's going to play out. This will be my stop loss, and my TP will be 1 ratio. And we'll add on to the position if I see two and if I see our position, the previous bar should be bearish as well. So that is our theory, and we are trying to add to our position. So let's just wait and see what happens. Okay, we have बेसिकली जो देख रहे हैं आज का जो सिमुलेशन सेशन है उसका मेन मोटिव यही है कि इस तरह के पॉइंट फिगर आउट करना जहाँ पर हम अपनी पोजीशन पे और साइज ऐड कर सकें. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम लुकिंग फॉर राइट नाउ. तो आई नीड 2 प्रायर बार क्लोजिंग प्रॉपरली. ओके, सो दिस वन, इसकी बॉडी थोड़ी छोटी है तो इस करंट कैंडल के क्लोज होने का वेट करता है, विच इज़ गोइंग टू बी हैपनिंग राइट नाउ. ओके, तो अगेन जो प्रीवियस कैंडल की बॉडी है इट इज़ रियली स्मॉल, तो आई डोंट थिंक सो कि दिस विल बी गुड इनफ टू स्टार्ट एंटरिंग इनटू अ ट्रेड. आई नीड लाइक अ फुल बॉडी जो प्रायर बॉडी से उसका. ओके, so I think this is the example of where I will increase my size. What I'm going to do right now, first of all, जो previous trade है उसको मैं उसका stop loss set करूँगा. I'm going to do that. Let's go with visual. This will be my new stop loss. I'll accept it. And जो मेरा यहाँ पर I'm going to be adding one more position with the same risk, and my sell will be this and my TP will be this right here. तो ओवरऑल लॉजिक इज़ दिस कि यहाँ पर जो मेरा प्रीवियस कैंडल है, प्रीवियस पोजीशन है, उसका स्टॉप लॉस ऑलमोस्ट ब्रेक इवन में आ गया है. एंड द नेक्स्ट कैंडल विच इज़ द करंट कैंडल राइट नाउ, आई एम इंक्रीजिंग द साइज राइट हियर. तो लेट्स जस्ट सी हाउ दिस वन प्लेज आउट एंड such. And we are also taking notes right here. We are just trying to increase size on our trading position to maximize the profit. On 30-minute chart, it looks like we are breaking a support on a smaller time frame, so it is a good thing. It seems like the right leg. So let's just see how this one is going to play out. Okay, okay, seems like really good. So I think this will be a point where I will put the previous trade in BE. Okay, जो हमारी original position थी, that is right now it's in break even, and about the current position it is running at profit. But okay, तो हमारी original position we got out and we got out of both the position. मतलब कहीं ना कहीं there is a problem with this strategy on one thing. I think we have to give a little bit room on 15-minute chart. We are not giving enough room. तो इसे हम वापस री एंटर करते हैं ट्रेड को. थोड़ा मैं वापस जो प्रीवियस बार है जहाँ से हमने एंट्री ली थी, जहाँ से हमने पहली पोजीशन ओपन की थी, विच इज़ this right here. Okay, this was our first position. I'm going to be adding one more chart, 15-minute chart. Okay, and here what I'm going to do, I'm going to add ATR as well. And we tried 5-minute ATR. Now I'm going to be trying 15-minute ATR. Okay, so I'll scale it. There you go. Let's just get started. Again, on 5-minute chart, I need 2 prior bar closing, 1 2. Okay, so right here I'm going to be increasing the size, but based on 15-minute chart this time. So my current trade will go on break even. ठीक है, and I'm going to be adding new position with the same risk, but this time my ATR value will be my 15-minute candle and my TP will be same. So let's try this and see how this one works out. Of course the original position is going to get stopped out, and hopefully जो हमने second position open किया है उसका take profit हो जाए, and if that gets stopped out we will see what we can do at that particular time. Okay, see, our original position has been stopped down and this is our current position which is running at profit, and there you go. So on 15-minute chart you'll see कि ATR value has came down, and on 5-minute chart this is our new position, and if I see I don't think so इसके बाद हमें ऐड करना वर्थ इट भी है, तो कोई भी पोजीशन को वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू गिव ओनली अ सिंगल अटेम्प्ट. ठीक है, so this winning position has turned into a losing position, but unless stop loss has happened, let's just see how this one is going to play out. We are just practicing a theory where we are trying to increase the lot size in our trading position. Okay, there you go, we have a winning position right here. Okay, this is a good area to increase the size. Let me tell you what I'm thinking right now. First of all, we have a bearish bar on 5-minute chart, and this bar is closing below this, and we have a solid body in this particular candle. So again I'm going to be adding one more position right here. I'm going to be selling, and my new stop loss will be the same and my TP will be the same, but जो मेरी prior position है उसको I'll set to BE, and then we'll see if this one plays out according to the plan or not. Okay, so let's just see how this one is going to play out. अगेन चैट वी आर ट्राइंग टू सी कि हम किस पॉइंट पे अपनी ट्रेडिंग पे साइज़ बढ़ा सकते हैं. अभी हम वही प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, तो या लेट्स सी. जब भी हम पोजीशन बढ़ाए तो प्रीवियस जो पोजीशन है इट शुड बी ऑन प्रॉफिट. दैट्स द मेन लॉजिक बिहाइंड इट. मतलब दोनों में से एक जो ट्रेड है वो एटलीस्ट ब्रेक इवन में रहना चाहिए सो फार, जितनी हमारी ऑब्जर्वेशन है. ठीक है, तो लेट्स जस्ट सी इफ वी कैन हैव अ DP at the moment. Okay, seems like we have a TP and we have made like 1% on that particular trade. तो total risk was I think around overall जब भी हमारा रिस्क रहा है वो हमारा 1% ही रहा है. तो for this strategy to work we need a trendy market. Okay, तो I think next day देखते हैं, and then we'll see कि how this one, if the strategy really working or not. First of all I'm going to select everything and delete it all. There you go, I'm going to delete everything and let's get started. तो हम next day शुरू करेंगे again. This will be fast forwarded. This is Tuesday. I'm going to be, there you go. So 7:30, this is our 11, right? What date I'm on, dude? We are on 20 Feb. Okay, so this right here is our 11. 1 2 3 1 2 3 third candle is at 12:30. So let's just break it down first of all. So this is our 11 candle. So 1 1 2 3. This is our 12:30 candle. So right here we start our top down analysis. So again on daily market seems to be bullish. We have a support made right here and we have a resistance made right here. इसे मैं क्लोन कर लूँगा 4 घंटे के चार्ट में and you will see कि market has created some kind of support right here and we have a fresh resistance made right here. ठीक है, ये हो गया मेरा level. I'll clone this level on 1 hour chart and adjust this. First of all I have this, okay, on and we have a most fresh support made right here. Okay, इसे further break down करेंगे 30 मिनट के चार्ट में तो you will see we have created a support right here. Okay, and we have created a fresh resistance right here. इसे further break down करेंगे 15 मिनट के चार्ट में right here. ठीक है, there you go. तो we have a breakout right here. ठीक है, I'm considering this as my range high. We have created a resistance, उसके बाद price has came down, we created a resistance right here. So strategy will be simple. If this right here, if this start to break, I'll add my positions. ठीक है, just give me a minute. There you go. If this area start to break, I'll add positions. Okay, right now we are practicing this trade right here, which was on Friday. ठीक है, the logic behind it is really simple. Market was bullish and we created this resistance right here. Okay, उसके बाद ये resistance basically break हुआ था. We break this resistance on this candle right here and उसके बाद this area right here it became our support level, and when the price start to break this high right here, this was the entry level for our trade. So that is what we are going to practicing right now. So let's just see if this one is going to play out. ठीक है, तो there you go. I need break of this area to enter this trade and I'm going to fast forward it bet. Okay, so let's just see. I think we had our entry, not right now, we are waiting. Okay, so I think we have our entry right here. So on 30-minute chart I'm going to be opening this trade. Open, this will be my stop loss right here and my TP will be let's see, this will be my TP right here. I'm going to accept it. We are on 30-minute chart. Now we are just going to play it and we are going to set our stop loss according to 15-minute chart. Okay, so there you go. We need closure in our favor. Basically we need 2 candles, consecutive candles moving in our favor with the body with current body should be larger than the prior candle's body. Right now it is a losing trade because we are on loss. ठीक है, so let's just see. Okay, right now we have a bullish momentum right here, but again we need higher bars candle. Okay, now this is a good trade. Let me tell you how. First of all, this current candle closed above prior bars candle, so right here is a good opportunity to open another position. This is what we are practicing today. I'm going to be opening position based on 15-minute chart. My support will be right, my stop loss will be right here, my TP will be right here. Okay, there you go. And what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to put the previous trade to break even. Okay, so that way our stop loss will be offsetted by the current prices. Alright, so let me just play it and let's see how this one is going to play out. Let's just play it. And there's a possibility कि हम breakout मतलब जो हमारा stop loss हो जाए, but I think okay, I think we are out of the trade. Now let's just see if we are going to win this trade or not. आर स्टॉप लॉस इज सेम, मतलब जो हमारा रिस्क है वो सेम है, बट इफ यू विन अ ट्रेड वी आर गोइंग टू बी विनिंग बिग. That's the whole logic behind it. Now let's just see 5 minute chart. Okay, so we are out of the previous trade. Right now we are running at the profit, but let's wait for another candle to close. We are waiting for this particular candle to close, which is going to be happening. Okay, this is not a strong closure. This right here, and we already have RTP. We kept our stop losses at break even. We are playing in the logic key. Whenever we have a 5 minute closure on the prior bar, we shall take a buy, but on the other side, this will move myself from original position to the. Okay, let's test this one out again. Which was our original position? Okay, when this start to break right here, this was our original position. I'm going to open that right now. There you go. It was based on 30-minute chart, so my stop loss will be right here. Based on 30-minute chart, my TP will be this right here. ठीक है, 4 घंटे के चार्ट के हिसाब से this will be my TP. On 30-minute chart, we are looking at this area right here. We are entered a trade, and right now I'm just going to play it and see how this one going to play out. Hello everyone, if you are watching right now, we are just practicing कि how can we increase the size in a particular trade. तो हम वही practice कर रहे हैं to see how can we improve on that particular setup. So there you go. We need 2 consecutive bars in our direction. So right here, see, we are winning in this trade and we are positive in this trade, and we have a 2 candle confirmation right here. So this is the area where I will modify this current stop loss to a 5-minute chart right here. Okay, so our stop loss has came down. Okay, and I will be opening a new position based on 15-minute chart. So I'll buy, my stop loss will be right here, and my TP will be the same. Okay, so I have a total of 2% running at the moment, but at the risk of 1%, or on the risk of 1%, or let's just say 1.5%. Okay, so basically we are running at the moment, we are practicing this one right here, the trade we took partial profit on this one, and we are just practicing this trade right here. We took this trade right here based on 30-minute chart, and right now we are having okay, so let's just play it and see how this one going to play out. There you go, based on 15-minute chart, and we are going up. Currently we have a 2 position running, and my overall risk is around 1.75%, I guess. And if the TP happens, we will be making I'm not sure how much we are going to make. ठीक है, there you go, there you go. We are holding till our original TP. So with this particular trade we made around 60 $60-70-80 बने सेम ट्रेड से. So logically it is making sense at the moment, but we have to test it more. So yeah, let's just see how our next trade is going out. तो next trade is this one right here, जो कि है Wednesday के दिन वाली. तो I'm just going to forward to Wednesday. There you go. On 4-hour chart, this will be right here. The 7:30. 7:30 is the area where we start analyzing the chart. फिर उसके बाद 1 2 3. ठीक है, तो current is current candle. Just give me a minute. One, two, and third candle is 12:30 candle right here. So इस point where we start to do top down analysis. First of all, I'm gonna go at daily. I'm gonna select everything and delete everything right here. ठीक है, इससे हम top down analysis करेंगे. First of all, we have a support made right here and we have a resistance made right here, and on daily price seems to be going towards this resistance right here. इसे further break down करेंगे 4 घंटे के चार्ट में, तो we'll see market seems to be bullish, but we have created a resistance right here and we have a support created right here. Okay, I'm going to clone it. इसे further break down करेंगे 1 hour के चार्ट में, and you will see कि we have created a resistance right there. There you go. इसे further break down करेंगे 30 मिनट के चार्ट में, and we also have a support made right here. There you go. Clone. अब इसे हम further break down करेंगे 15 मिनट के चार्ट में. तो this is our analysis for today. On Wednesday we took this trade, so let's just play it and see how this one played out. So first of all, analysis is simple. We are looking break of this support right here for this to be a valid trade. Break and test of this level. Basically we took this trade on Wednesday, so there you go. We broke this level basically and we created a support right here. So the entry was based on the break of this level right here. ठीक है, तो I'm going to clone it. Let's just play it. Let's just play it and see how this one is going to play out. Basically we are focusing on keeping the risks same but increasing the size at the same time. So that's why it is really interesting approach. We are going to do an impulse entry on this one as soon as the previous candle low start to break, जो हमारा support बना हुआ है. So let's just see if this one's going to work out or not. Okay, so we have a trigger right here. I'm going to be taking this trade based on 30-minute chart. This will be my sell right here. This will be my SL, and my TP will be this area right here. ठीक है, there you go. इसे further break down करेंगे. अब once the trade is done, we are going to be observing this trade based on 5-minute chart. Okay, so there you go. We have a positive closure first of all right here, and okay, the candle is not strong enough. We need 2 candle moving in our favor. That is it. Simple logic behind this. Okay, so we have our first candle which is moving in our favor. Now we need one more candle. One more candle in our favor. Previous candle, when we cannot agree with the previous candle because that was really okay. Now this is really interesting. First of all, see right here, we closed below previous candle's wick, and on this body has a much more larger body than this body. ठीक है, तो right here what we are going to do, we are going to moving the SL of the previous trade. I'm going to be moving the SL of the previous candle right here to, there you go, and we'll be opening a new trade based on 15-minute stop loss. ठीक है, तो I'm going to be open a new trade. My stop loss will be this right here and my TP will be the same. there you go, and on 30-minute chart, there you go, and we are just going to watch it right now. This is trade number 6 and 7, and let's just see how this one is going to play out. Okay, remember, if this trade was a losing trade, we would have. Okay, so now let's just analyze it. Close trade, this was number 6 and 7. On 6 we made 29, and on the TP we made around 25. So again, we are with this strategy, we are making twice as much on the particular trade. So seems like a good trade. ठीक है, तो उसके बाद हमने एक ट्रेड और ली थी सेम डे पे राइट हेयर, तो यूएस सेशन में ली थी विच इज़ अराउंड 6:30. तो लेट्स जस्ट सी इफ दैट वन इज़ गोइंग टू प्ले आउट और नॉट. ऑलराइट, तो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई हैव टू मूव टू 7 this candle right here. All right, so let's just skip it by 4 hour. Okay, seems like okay, seems okay. So again, we are in US session. I'm going to select everything and we are going to delete every line. And again, seems like market is going bullish. We have a resistance to made right here, we have a support made right here. I'm going to clone this levels on 4-hour chart, and here you will see market seems to be bullish again. We have created a support right here. Okay, and we have a resistance made right here which is our daily high. ठीक है, इसे फर्दर ब्रेक डाउन करेंगे 1 आवर्स के चार्ट में, एंड यू विल सी कि वी हैव क्रिएटेड दिस माइनर रेजिस्टेंस which was broken right here. So all we need a 15-minute resistance, and if this 15 minutes resistance start to break right here which is already broken, we can take a trade towards buy side. तो अगर तुम 30 मिनट के चार्ट में देखोगे तो दिस इज़ अ पॉजिटिव बाय. तो let's just open a buy position with around 1% risk. 1% risk, थोड़ा चलो यही लेते हैं. My TP will be let's just say same TP. Let's accept it. Okay, and there you go. Once the trade is done, all we have to do is look for 5-minute chart to enter this trade, to add position to this trade basically. So there you go. We need a closure above prior buys high. Okay, so this is the right point to increase the size. So at this point what I have to do, I have to move position, I have to close the position, I'll have to add visual mode, visual lines. This will be my new SL which is about 9 pip. Okay, तो ये मैंने जो current SL उसको move कर दिया, and I'm Okay. Sorry about that, everyone. अब टेस्टिंग तो ऑलमोस्ट हो गई है. All we have to do is write down the rules. And एक बार rules लिख लेते हैं. उसके बाद we'll test this next week. We are going to be risking about 1.5%, 1% on each trade next week, according to uh, uh, जो हमने हमारी चीट शीट बनाए थे. तो yeah, so let's just see what rules we are came up with. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इसे मैं डिलीट कर लेता हूँ, एंड इसे भी डिलीट कर लेते हैं. ठीक है. एडिंग टू a winning position. ओके, बट उसके पहले आई हैव टू टेस्ट दिस वन राइट हियर, जो हमने प्रीवियस डे ट्रेड करी थी ना. ट्रेड हिस्ट्री. I have to test this trade first of all, where we lost right here. This one have to test. तो थोड़ा बैक जाता है और इसको टेस्ट करते हैं. ठीक है. So this was the initial trade we took based on the break of this level right here. तो इससे मैं एक बार प्रायर जाता हूँ. And let's just get started. This time we are going to be risk by dollar. I'm going to be risking around $25 right here, and let's just see how this one is going to play out. First of all, I need a break of this level, and for us to be a trigger. Okay, so this is my trigger right here. I'm going to be risking around $125 based upon this area. This will be my stop loss currently, and my TP will be, let's just say, this area right here, जो कि हमारी previous day में TP थी. So I'm going to be accepting it. I'm going to be go down right now on 5-minute chart and look for our entry. ठीक है. This is our first step. Second step, we need to grab our closing in our direction right here. So this is our favorable entry. So at this point, I'm going to be moving my current stop loss to this current point right here, which will be $4. And जो हमारा 15-minute chart है, based upon this, we are going to be opening a trade right here. ठीक है. And this will be my TP. There you go. So on a losing trade, we are losing about एक average हो जाएगा कि if our stop loss happens, how much we are going to lose money. Okay, so that's the reason we are doing this. एक तो हमारा हो गया stop loss, and there you go. So on a losing day, we are going to be losing around $30. So yeah, this is a W strategy, by the way. So let's just make our notes. We are adding to a winning position right here. First rule will be, so our first rule is number 1, initial position should be based on your analysis. ठीक है. There you go. उसके बाद second step आता है, I guess. Once the OG position has been opened, opened, we look for a trigger where we can increase size on our position. So इसको हम डिनोट करते हैं प्रीवियस वाली पोजीशन से जो हमने प्रीवियस ट्रेड ली थी. Let's just open this and this was the position. ठीक है, तो उसके लिए मुझे थोड़ा प्रीवियस जाना पड़ेगा. This right here. ठीक है, तो let me just go back. Okay, so this is my OG position right here. So my OG position, I'm going to be opening this position right now, which is based on 30-minute chart. So this will be my buy, this will be my stop loss, and this will be my TP right here. Except there you go. I have to screenshot this. So how do I do that? So let's take a screenshot. Position. We have to add image screenshot. This is the trade we are looking for. Okay, so यहाँ पे I have to add some points. First of all, this will be my OG position, and number 1, original OG position based on analysis. Okay, once based on analysis, यहाँ जो हमारा टाइम फ्रेम है which is 30-minute. Okay, and stop trigger setup type, number 2 setup type right here is testing support. Okay, which is also known as break of structure because trend change हो रहा है. ठीक है, there you go. Setup type हो गया. Number 3 trigger था हमारा breaking resistance. ठीक है, and 4 जो हमारा stop loss है वो है current 30-minute ATR multiplied by 1.5, which is our 10-period ATR. ठीक है, तो I'm going to save this up. ठीक है, now the position has been opened. We move down in 5-minute time frame and look for triggers so we can open another position. ठीक है, there you go. So there you go. After this we drop down in 5-minute chart and we look for a break. जो ये वाला सेटअप है, दिस इज़ लाइक एन आइडियल सेटअप गाइस. ओके, तो दैट्स व्हाई हम इसका एग्जांपल ले रहे हैं. Let we have to insert an image here. There you go. यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी एडिटिंग लगेगी. Five minute chart, looking for triggers. Position is in profit, so it's opening trade. ठीक है, उसके बाद I have to do some arrow things. This is our prior bar. Current candle is closing above previous candle high with body is equal and more in size of the prior bar. Adding to this position, and we see setup as okay. There you go. I'm going to save it. 1 2 3rd. Now we can open a position. Now our fourth rule will be, once the new position has been opened, the stop loss of the previous position shall be adjusted to current 5-minute 80 ATR value. Okay, so at this point we are opening a new trade. My stop loss is in this. Stop loss will be the ETR value of 15-minute chart. Okay, so this is our new position. Once the new position has been placed, the stop loss of the previous position shall be moved to the current ATR value. Now we are in final step. All positions has been placed and all position has been placed and to recap, OG positions stop loss has been modified to current 5-minute ATR. And new position has been added with the same size but with stop loss at 15-minute ATR multiplied by 1.5. Okay, so there you go. Now I have to add 7 point. Once all is done, all we have to do is wait for either SF or TP to happen. Now once all of this is done, we wait for TP to be happen. Alright guys, this is a highly skilled setup, to be honest. There you go. In theory, we have made twice on what we risk. Okay, so this is a beautiful example of what we learned today. uh, we learned ki how do we add to a winning position basically. So I think this is a really important stream. I don't know why you guys are not watching it right now, but this is right here, this right here is a W stream today. ठीक है, तो एक लूजिंग ट्रेड वाला एग्जांपल दे लेते हैं. So right here, let me see the example of a losing trade. ठीक है, तो seems like this is what we are, this is what we got, this is what is our theory is, this is the thoughts. and यहाँ पर एक losing trade वाला example I think मुझे add करना चाहिए. This is what I'm going to be adding right now. तो I think where we had that losing trade was right here. ठीक है, तो एक इसका example ले लेते हैं. So this was the losing trade we are talking about. On 15-minute chart you will see, in theory this was our trigger, this is where I opened the trade based on 30-minute chart. Okay, so this will be my buy based on 30-minute chart. This will be my stop loss right here, and my TP will be this area high, except. All right, there you go. Now we, once the position is done, we are looking for 5-minute opportunity to enter on this market. So we got this opportunity right here. This bar is closing above prior buys high, so this is where I'm going to move my current stop loss to this area right here, this stop loss. Okay, and I'm going to be opening a OG position based on 15-minute chart. There you go, and my stop loss will be this right here, my TP will be again the same. There you go, and I open this trade. So let's just say how this trade is going to fall flat on us. So OG position has been out, and this is the second position, and there you go, we lost the second position right here. तो इससे भी इंसर्ट कर लेता है कि ऑन अ लूजिंग डे हमारा जो रहेगा, जो हमारा थॉट प्रोसेस रहेगा वो किस तरह से रहेगा. सो देखो यहाँ पर मैं मार्किंग कर लेता हूँ. This is a losing example. This is where we lost the trade. Okay, and second of all, we risked $25 on OG position. Okay, position, and once both stop loss happened, we lost around, once the OG stop loss happened, we lost around let's just see close trade, this will be 25 plus 7. Okay, so if we calculate that, it will be 25 plus 7, which is $32, which is $32. So that's what I have to write around. Okay, We lost around 30, how much? $32, which is I think 1.2% of the risk. 1.2% of the risk for a reward of 2% on each trade. So if we put on a long-term chart, we will be winning in probabilities. Okay, so there you go. This conclude our research today. Basically we researched how we are going to add to a winning position, and this was the example we took. Okay, I think this is going to change our trading and put it into the next level. I think this is a next level shit totally. Alright, तो एक नेक्स्ट एक एग्जांपल देखते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारी ये ट्रेड मिस हुई थी. वी सॉ दिस ऑन स्ट्रीम एंड उसके बाद दिस वाज द ट्रेड व्हिच वी वांटेड टू टुक राइट यार. इसे थोड़ा पीछे लेके जाता हूँ मैं. There go, this was the trade, and this trade is right here. If you see on the charts, this trade is right here. This is Thursday's trade. So let me just break it down how we could have entered this trade. So this was the Thursday's trade. First of all, we created this sharp support right there on 30-minute chart. अगर इसे further break down करेंगे 15-minute के chart में, तो we had a break and this area right here is a trigger. ठीक है, so this is our trigger. So I'm going to be opening the trade based on our research that we just did. First of all, as SL go on 30-minute charts high and our TP will be right here. ठीक है, accepted. इसके बाद we move down to 5-minute chart and look for places to add to our position. So we need two bars closing positive. ठीक है, this is not the bar we are looking for. We need two bars closing in our direction, 1 and 2. There you go. See how this is our trigger point, because this candle has the same body as this candle and this bar has closed below previous candles low. So at this point what we are going to do is कि जो current position है उसका SL we are going to be moving to 5-minute 5-minute ATR value right here, and उसके बाद we are going to be opening a new position based on 15-minute ATR value. There you go, we are going to be sell 15-minute ATR value. There you go, and this will be my TP. ठीक है, and this is a simple position and rest they will be running. All right, there you go, and simple. Now just letting it run, and there you go. And total we made around with this trade 7 and 8 दो trade, यानी on the risk of the almost $32 we made around 30 plus 30 $60 right there. So I think this is a great example of how we can add to a winning position. So yeah, that is it for this simple. So yeah guys, that is it for this simple top down simple research session today. This was an amazing session. I think we have this setup right here जिसे हमने अभी अभी प्लेबुक किया है, adding to a winning position जिसकी हमने highlight रखी है, and I think this is going to be an awesome to execute these trades on the next week. and I think we have something in our hand, guys. We are going to be killing it next week, killing it. ठीक है, इस पर मैं अभी ऑफलाइन जाके और रिसर्च करूँगा एंड देन विल सी कि इसमें हम क्या चीज़ ऐड कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो दैट इज़ इट फॉर आवर लाइव सेशन टुडे. आई एम गोइंग टू बी क्लोजिंग द स्ट्रीम राइट नाउ एंड आई विल सी यू मंडे एंड विल जस्ट किल द मार्केट नेक्स्ट मंडे. हमने काफ़ी सारी रिसर्च की है एंड वी गॉट टू सो मच डाटा. So yeah, that is it, and I'll see you